Cup of Coffee Workshop. Today we're going to take the headlight buckets out of my old Cadillac and polish them up and paint them. And here they are. Two 1970 Cadillac deville headlights. This one on the left has been crashed a couple of times. Once by me, did a little damage. Not too bad though. They should polish up and be pretty good. You guys should get in here with some polishing compound, you know, and polish these little bits on the edges. Okay, here we go. So as it goes, you know, the hardware's all pretty terrible. You know, it's like mix and match. It's all pretty rusty. Yeah, I mean, like some of this stuff, and I could clean that up and use it again. Yeah. But I saw a kit for this on eBay. It's like a GM headlight restoration kit, and it came with like new little plastic clippies, little headlight holders and stuff. And I'm probably gonna buy one of those. Okay, the buckets are completely stripped, so I'm just gonna go from there now. Focusing on cleaning, first cleaning, then some light paint prep, and then painting the buckets. Okay, so now I had these washed in my kitchen sink. Still a little dirty, but I'm gonna start sanding. So here's the plan. This is a spray can epoxy primer. It's catalyzed, so it hardens. It is resistant to like fuel. Now I'm gonna spray the buckets. And this fender skirt gets another coat. Here's the rest of the plan. Rust reformer gonna be black over the epoxy primer, and then some color shift on top of the flat black. Okay, so now the rust reformer primer, which I mean I didn't choose that on purpose, just something I had, is on, and when it's dry it turns flat. Now before it dries all the way, I'm going to try to get a light coat of this color shift onto it, and then the trick, it seems, the color shift is putting on as thin a coat as possible, and and doing many coats. If you put too many on, it just like it looks like it runs down, streaky. Light as possible coat. That's it. So for polishing, we're going to do an angle grinder, battery powered, might run out, switch to a cord, Dialux Blanc, and a, I don't know, felt or wool disc. We're going to polish these guys. Alright, there you have it. Cup of coffee is what fuels my projects. So, we took the headlight buckets out. We washed them with degreaser. We washed them, rinsed them in fresh water. We wiped them down with sanitizing wipes, Clorox wipes, whatever they are. Then we did mineral spirits. Then we sanded them. Then we did mineral spirits again. Then we did 2K rattle can catalyzed epoxy primer. Then we did some Rust-Oleum Rust Stopper Black, flat black. Then we did some color shifts, I think also by Rust-Oleum. Then the chrome bits we polished with Dialux, which I mean, like, yeah, they're pitted. So I mean, it's definitely not in the budget to replace them. Honestly, it gives it character. It's it's like a 60-year-old car almost already, right? 1970. But this has all been polished, which I like using that polish because all these little pits are all now full of wax, which is a great thing to fill pits with. Okay, then here's the hardware. Hardware is looking pretty rough. I ordered a set of buckets and rings. I was going to restore those as well, but like the rings, a lot of them are missing tabs and the buckets are kind of junky, and a whole set with the hardware was $50. So I'm going to do that. And the headlights I'm just going to clean up, put them back in.